Hello, my name is Sheko. Welcome back to my channel Sheko's English. Keep learning, keep practicing. Friends, today's topic is apostrophe. What is apostrophe? An apostrophe is a mark, a punctuation mark, one of the punctuation marks in English language. Friends, there is some confusion among people in using apostrophe in our daily life. That's why I'm making this video right now. Let us see how to use and where to use in our daily life, especially in written form as well as in spoken form. Let's get into the topic. Apostrophe. This is used to represent missing letters and numbers, to show that something belongs to somebody else, and to show the plural of a letter or a number. Let's go to the first one. To represent missing letters and numbers. For example, I am, this is the full form. If you want to make it short, you can write like this. I'm, I am, I'm. He is, he's. They are, they're. I have, I've. There are some more contracted forms, but this is not the right time to discuss all the contracted forms. So our topic is apostrophe, how to use it. Okay, I am. So here, if you want to use apostrophe, it becomes I'm. So what is missing here? A. He is. This is the full form. The short form is he is. What is missing here? I. They are. This is the full form. The short form is there. So what is missing here? A. And here you see I have. This is the full form. The short form is I've. So what is missing here? H and A. So in the negative form also we can use apostrophe. Do not, should not, are not, like that. Here you see do not. So what is missing here? O. Do not becomes don't if we use apostrophe. Here some numbers are missing. 1, 9. If you are talking about an incident in 20th century, if you want to refer 1973, you can use like this. We can use apostrophe like this. Okay, 1973 becomes apostrophe 73. Here you see to contract decade names. Here again we are talking about 20th century. Then in spoken form generally in 70s, in 80s, in 90s we speak like that. Then you can write like this, apostrophe 70 years. I'm going back again 1973. If you want to write January 1st January 1973, you can write like this, 1st Jan, 1 Jan, apostrophe 73. So you have to write 1 Jan, full stop, apostrophe 73. Okay. Let's see the next one. This apostrophe is used to show the plural of a letter or number. For example, you take a word grammar, G-R-A-M-M-A-R. So in that word, there are two A's and there are two M's. Okay, how to write two A's, two M's? So you have to write A apostrophe S, M apostrophe S, like this. Two A's and two M's. So there are two A's and two M's in the word grammar. For example, you see threes. Take a number 9. Generally we ask how many threes are there in 9? How many threes are there in 9? Then you have to write like this. Threes. There are 3 threes in 9. Okay? 3 apostrophe S. Let us see the next one. To show that something belongs to somebody. That means an apostrophe indicates possession. Here it indicates omission because some letters are missing. But here it shows possession. Let us see one by one. Raju's shirt. That means the shirt belongs to Raju. The dog's tail. That means the tail belongs to the dog. Boys' hostel. That means the hostel belongs to boys. Here the college belongs to the woman. Here you see the dog is a singular. So you have to use apostrophe S. But here you see boys. voice is plural, the noun is plural. That's why you need not use apostrophe s, just use apostrophe only. Okay, don't use apostrophe s. Voice apostrophe hostel, it is enough. Okay, so if it is in plural form, if the noun is in plural form, just use apostrophe to indicate possession. Okay, next, women's college. Here women is plural. Okay, then you have to use apostrophe s, it's must. Okay, but this is also plural, but here we have used only apostrophe, but even it is plural form, but there is no s, that's why we have to use apostrophe s to show possession. Friends, but there is a special case, there is an exception. What is that? For example, you take table, this is non-living thing. If it is non-living thing, we should not use apostrophe s. Here Raju, dog, boys, woman, all are living things, but here table is non-living thing. In case of non-living thing, we should not use apostrophe s. Then how to use? Don't say the table's legs, you have to say the legs of the table. Don't use apostrophe s with non-living things. One more one, the book's cover. Don't say the book's cover, the cover of the book. The roof of the house, don't say the house's roof, the roof of the house. Friends, I have forgotten one more thing, today's, tomorrow's and yesterday's. Today's, that means ee roju yokka. Tomorrow's, rapati. Yesterday's, ninnati. For example, you take a match, cricket match. If the match belongs to today, then we can say today's match. If the match belongs to yesterday, then you can say yesterday's match. If the match belongs to tomorrow, then you can say tomorrow's match. For example, who won the yesterday's match? Who will win tomorrow's match? Who are playing in today's match? And like that we can use today's, tomorrow's and yesterday's. Friends, you have got it. You have got my point. Friends, you have understood how to use and where to use these apostrophes in our daily life. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding my topics, please post your doubt in the comment section. If it demands, I will make another video. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Stay tuned. Please subscribe it if you have not yet subscribed. And please hit the bell icon for instant notifications when I upload a new video, and share it and like it. Bye.